So my name is Jaime Ramirez. I'm a plant manager at Penn Manufacturing. Take care of all the daily activities, deal with the people, stay on top of things, schedules, customer deliveries on time, all that requires for the shop to just continue at a nice fashion manner. I have about 15, 20 years of experience in sheet metal. What has kept me in metal is that through my phases of life, I've been blessed to be given opportunities as my talent has been growing. So I've been giving layers to succeed and to move up the pyramid. I started as a programmer, became an engineer, became a part estimator, customer service manager, and then, plant manager. So it keeps going and going. I think there's an infinite things to do. I just like to see things from scratch and get built, and that people are going to be able to use it. Well, my secret sauce is to take on anything and everything. How that saying goes, if they give you lemon, make lemonade. And so I take it on with a positive attitude, and I give it the good left foot and right foot, and let's just move on. What I do for fun now is that I spend more time with my kids. I'm a big fan of old cars, classic cars. There's nothing like a satisfaction to grab an old car, doesn't work, and now you can put it together and it's going for you. But that takes a lot of time. I have 3 kids that I want to see them have a good future, and so I want to spend more time with them. And so that's why I decided also to buy an electric car to satisfy that. My feeling about Ricky the Rhino is it's what gives a character to the shop. A rhino is just a beast that goes forward regardless of what's in front of it. And so any challenge, any surroundings, atmospheres, we'll take care of it right there and then. We have the bulk for it, and we have the spirit for it, and that's because of our people, the people that we surround ourselves with, the experience, the talent, and also what we look forward. So it keeps us looking rugged, but we're still in the future to continue on. What I'm excited about Penn is that we've seen it transform from a small little company, one site, and now we're seeing more and more. And so I want to see growth. I want to see changes that would take us to the next step in fabrication. A few years ago, we were a little bit behind in technology, and we now have invested in that, and it shows, and it gives us that upper hand to see things, to take on things more efficiently, and be able to be more successful at it.